going to be introducing a webinar series that we're hosting jointly with TAG and AvidXchange. The focus of the series is a paper-free and automated solutions for the procure-to-pay process. Many of you may have been faced with a new virtual reality, and that could still very well be your current reality in some cases. Our goal has been, and it continues to be, providing tools and automated solutions that allow you to adapt and thrive and get your job done as quickly and efficiently as possible, making sure you're connected, organized, and information is accessible and available by all stakeholders. Throughout the series, we're going to take a look at the entire procure-to-pay process from the time you create the purchase order or requisition through to making the payment. Right, this here is an illustration of the procure-to-pay process. Core Associates has been able to address the first 3 of these steps for many years. But we've been missing the last step in the process, which is the ability to make automated and electronic payments. So we partnered with AvidXchange about 1.5 years ago, and we're very excited to be able to now offer a complete end-to-end process for this payment solution. So many of our customers already use Create-A-Check software and the Avid Pay network. So we've worked with Avid for many years. It was just a natural fit and made sense for us to formalize the relationship with the Avid team, and so that's what we've done. There's 4 steps in the process, and we're going to focus on throughout the series, and all of these steps can be done without touching any paper. I'm going to start over here on the left. The first step in the process is purchase orders, requisitions, and receiving tickets, and those can be created using our core cloud systems, or CCS as we call it, our field purchasing solution. Right, the documents, they can be created from anywhere on any device, and CCS is integrated with both TimberScan and Sage 300 CRE. Now, once the purchase orders are created, they can be sent to Sage 300 to create your commitments, and then the electronic purchase order is sent to TimberScan. Once you've finished your receiving ticket and that's been completed, those receiving documents, they also get sent to TimberScan electronically. So then you have both your purchase order and your receiving tickets available in TimberScan as what we call supporting documents. So they're there so you can do your 3-way match, or 2 or 3-way match when the invoice hits your door. TimberScan can also serve as your central repository for managing all invoices and documents. You would route, capture, and approve invoices and documents within the TimberScan system. And then once those invoices are approved, they would flow to Sage, so the 3rd step here, into your ERP system without rekeying of any data. Right, so we've taken it from the purchase order through TimberScan into the ERP system, completely paper-free, without touching a piece of paper. Now, when you're ready to pay those invoices, that's where Avid comes into play. So today, this is part 1 of our webinar series. And our focus is going to be on this last step here, making automated payments. So Casey's going to take us through the payment process and talk about AvidXchange's automated payment solutions. We'll look at how you can take your payment process paper-free, and then we're also going to touch on other benefits of Avid Pay, including security, visibility, and the ability to be able to earn rebates. Now, we're taking a bit of a different approach by starting with what you would typically think as the end portion of the procure-to-pay process, but we've been getting a lot of inquiries lately surrounding electronic payment. So we wanted to start with payment solutions, and then we'll have another session at the end of the series highlighting AvidXchange's payment offerings again. But implementing Avid Pay, it can be a really quick win for companies that are looking for a solution now and really need relief if that's a challenge you're facing. I just want to run through the series lineup. Next Wednesday, we're going to be focusing on our core cloud systems, field purchasing and receiving, and we're going to review how you can get rid of your paper purchasing process. We'll show you how to create electronic POs, requisitions, and receiving tickets from anywhere on any device, integrated with both Sage 300 and 300 CRE and TimberScan. So I hope you all can make it. And then on Wednesday, the 17th, I'll be walking through a presentation of TimberScan 300, focusing on automation of the AP approval process. how POs and receiving tickets from core cloud systems can be matched within TimberScan. And we'll also take a look at mobile invoice approvals. And then we're going to end the series on Wednesday, June 24th with another session on AvidXchange's solutions and moving to electronic payment.